Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a differentiation question and we are going to use chain rule. A chain rule is used to differentiate the composite function, that is one function in another function. And we use a formula, dy dx is equal to dy du multiplied by du dx. Here we have the outer function and the inner function. Our question is in the form of y is equal to f of g of x, where we have the inner function g of x and the outer function f of x. Straight, let's go and do our question. We have y is equal to natural logarithm of x squared plus 3. I'm going to let the inner function x squared plus 3 as u. So u is equal to x squared plus 3 du dx. This is equal to 2x. Now y is equal to natural logarithm of x squared plus 3. We let as u. dy du, this is equal to the differentiation of natural logarithm of u is equal to 1 over u, but u is equal to x squared plus 3. dy over dx, this is equal to dy du times du over dx. This is equal to dy du. We get dy du is equal to 1 over u. So that is 1 over u multiplied by du dx. Du dx, we get 2x multiplied by 2x. But u, it is x squared plus 3. So we have 1 over x squared plus 3 multiplied by 2x. So dy dx, this is equal to 2x over x squared plus 3. I hope you understand this question. For more video on differentiation, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.